First I shook a million hands, then I took a million pictures. But I'm a hostage in my own world. Yeah, my thoughts my own enemy. Got no time for these bitches. I got too much on my damn mind. So if I add some more stress, I just don't see how I'ma cope. I think they underestimate the grind. I do to bring this dough when I'm only 20 years old. I wonder why I sip this devil juice, cause it feel incredible. Problems, I got several. Thank God that none of that made it go. I've been blessed with much to be expected. What am I doing?